Alright guys, how's it going? So we got a new motor here today. It's by Myfpv and it's called the Bosh V2. The size of it is 2306 and it's at 1700 kV. So you can find these motors online and they're for $17.50. For that price, that's a really good price. And, so that makes a check mark on that. Let's go ahead and look at the design of it. So the design of it is a one-piece unibell, and I really like how it's rounded, and then it's got really nice flat spot up here, and it's got quite a bit of material on the spoke here. And the reason why I think it's really nice is because that means these things are going to be really durable. In my opinion right now, I think they're going to be very durable, because that is a lot of material right there. And then when you take a look at the copper windings inside of it, the copper windings, they are nice and neat. I know it's hard to tell, but they are very uniform. That means they've taken their time to make sure this motor was done right. I always like to see that. Whenever I go and look at a motor, that's one of the first things I look at, is how those windings are. And if they're all nice and neat, that means this company is taking their time to make sure this motor is done right. So I'm going to give it another one. So let's see how this thing flies. Let's put it up in the air and do some tests. Alright guys, it's 40 degrees out here, but we're going to do what we can do.
They look perfect.
Alright guys, there's our durability test. So you seen it crash. Let's see what it looks like on here. I didn't mean to do that, by the way, but we got to do a durability test. And I'm looking at the motors here. They sound freaking perfect. I don't see no wobble. I think it's good to go. We're just going to keep going. Like total 4 minutes and 47 seconds. That's pretty good. Alright guys, here's a speed run. you see me ending with that dive and that crash, so I wanted to put it on the bench and turn the motors. So I started it up. It sounds perfect. There ain't no wobble to it. There ain't no problems at all. So durability, another good one. And we got one more category here. We're going to talk about the tunability. So everything on the PID tune is straight down the middle. The stock tunes and PIDs, everything is easy. You don't have to do nothing at all, and it's just stock tunes and PIDs. Everything right down the middle. So another good one. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video, and we'll get to the final results on the data chart. Alright, I hope you like what I'm doing here. I got the Myfpv Bosh V2 2306.5 1700 kV. You guys seen every box being checked off. The weight is the only one we didn't talk about, and I have a 35 gram pass or fail. This is 34 grams, so it passes. Every box this one checks. They didn't send me this motor for free, but they were kind of nervous about it, to be honest with you, because I put it through all these testing categories, and they were kind of nervous to send me this motor. Well, I don't know what they were nervous about, because they got a 10 out of a 10. That's my honest opinion about this motor. If any of these failed in any of these categories, you would be knowing it right now. We've had the best motors have not so good scores, and we've had the cheapest motors have great scores. I don't understand, but this is one that I would try out. I would put this on any kind of drone, cinematic, freestyle, and racing drone. You guys need to try this out if you're doing a build. This is a motor to go to right here. Alright guys, take it easy. I hope you enjoyed this. See ya.